Good morning, it's Dr. Garrett, and today I want to talk to you really quick on just a few things about magnesium. Now, magnesium is very, very important for the body, and studies have shown that people with low magnesium tend to get sick more often. They tend to have high blood pressure, they tend to have trouble sleeping, they tend to have an HPA axis offset. And that's where your cortisol's off, you're not sleeping right, the pituitary just isn't sending the messages the way that it's supposed to. We also have found that patients who have deficiencies in magnesium can also have a disturbance within their gut-brain axis. So it's important that we get magnesium in our bodies. Now, if you go and you're looking at supplements, you are going to find a variety of different magnesiums. There are things like magnesium taurate, magnesium citrate, magnesium sulfate, magnesium threonate, magnesium glycinate. And all of these are very similar in structure. But let's just talk real quick about what my favorite ones are. So for people who have more mood disorders, more cognitive things, have a lot more brain fog, or they're having neuroinflammatory reactions, and we're seeing this with like a mast cell activation syndrome, then typically I'm putting them on magnesium threonate. Magnesium threonate will cross the blood-brain barrier, and so that we're able to get that magnesium to where it needs to go. Now, if you're not having those kind of issues, then I typically recommend a really good magnesium glycinate. This is going to encompass a lot of things. This is going to help calm you down. It stimulates the production of GABA, which is a neurotransmitter important for decreasing anxiety states. Magnesium glycinate can also help with bowel motility. It can help with your skin. It can lower blood pressure. It helps to decrease insulin resistance and help reabsorption of the glucose the way that it's supposed to be. So that's why I like the magnesium glycinate. So how do you take magnesium glycinate? For the most part, I'm having people take anywhere from about 400 to 600 milligrams of magnesium glycinate, and I usually have you take it at bedtime. Sometimes it can help with insomnia, help you to sleep better. It's part of reducing that cortisol or those adrenal hormones, adrenaline coming from your adrenal glands. So when we're taking this at bedtime, there are a couple things that I want you to keep in mind. Now, start low and bring yourself up. If you have a history of kidney disease, kidney transplant, only have one kidney, you may not want to take that much magnesium. Definitely talk to your doctor first. Make sure they're looking at your labs and making sure this is tolerable. If you don't have those issues and you're like, hey, Dr. Garrett, 400 just isn't cutting it for me, you can increase this or titrate up according to bowel tolerance. So, when you start getting looser bowels, that's when you want to back off of it. Now, people who have issues with like IBS-C, where you're having more constipation, a lot of times this is a huge gut health thing. We can do a gut test on you and figure out what's going on and fix this for you. It doesn't need to be a lifelong thing. But if you're having issues with constipation, we're usually doing the higher ends, closer to 600 milligrams of magnesium. And then I'm having you add in a cofactor of some vitamin C, which we've talked about extensively in other videos. But magnesium is super duper great. So I really like people to use either magnesium glycinate or magnesium threonate, depending on what your symptoms are. Again, if it's more brain inflammation, headaches, migraines, those sorts of things, magnesium threonate is going to be better for you. If it's more, I need overall calming, I need to lower my blood pressure, I need to vasodilate, I need to help with my gut motility, I need to decrease my anxiety states, magnesium glycinate is going to be a great option for you. Now, just a real quick blurb on where to get your supplements. Now, not all supplements are created equal. If you go and you decide, hey, I'm going to buy something off of Amazon because it's $2 or $4 or whatever, it may not be a good brand. Anybody can put dirt in a capsule and call it magnesium. So what do you need? You need to make sure that you are finding supplements that are either third-party tested or they come from a certified manufacturing plant. A lot of times I like people to order their vitamins off of a website called Fullscripts, and I'll put a link down below. But Fullscripts is a great way to make sure that you're getting very good quality supplements and you're not just getting dirt in a capsule. So if you have any questions, give me a call. Have a great day.